Hi, Amber here with Schwarzkopf, and today I'm going to be showing you not only how to do Bantu knots, but also how to style them afterwards. So I've already prepped my mannequin head with some Bantu knots. You can see my sectioning here. So you want to make sure that you have nice clean sections. And I like to do some that are rectangles, some that are triangles. So what I'm going to do first is show you how to create these Bantu knots, and then I'm going to take these out so you can see how that works. For this technique, you will need a tail comb and some clips. Also, your OSIS Tame Wild, Bouncy curls, Magic, and soft texture. The first step to Bantu knots is product. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of Tame Wild. It has a 3-hold level. It's going to help to control the frizz, and it is a lightweight cream. So I'm going to put this in my hands, and I'm going to run it through her hair. I'm also going to be putting in OSIS Bouncy curls, again, 3-hold level. This is a gel cream. Sorry, not gel cream. This is going to be a gel with an oil in it, so it's not going to leave the hair hard and crunchy. So I'm also going to put this in my hands and run it through evenly throughout the hair. And then I'm going to separate the hair into 3 different sections. I'm going to start in the back with triangular or rectangular sections. I like to do different types of sections. For me, that seems to give a more natural result. A smaller Bantu knot is going to give you a tighter curl than a thick Bantu knot. So I'm going to smooth my section. What you need to do is you need to twist the hair. I like to twist to the right because I'm right-handed. You're going to twist until the hair wants to bend. You'll see it start to create that bend. You're going to twist till the hair wants to bend. And then once the hair wants to bend, you let it bend and coil the hair underneath the first coil. So I'm going to keep making sure I have a nice tight coil. And I'm going to keep wrapping that coil. Every time I do a turn, I'm going to wrap that coil on my finger again. And keep wrapping and wrapping until I have a nice tight coil. If you've done it tight enough, you don't need a pin, but sometimes you'll still need a pin. So if you need to, you can grab a little bobby pin, open it up, and you'll want to put it through the bottom just to really lock that in place. Notice that my Bantu knot is going to stand out just a little ways from the head. So I'm going to keep working in some triangle, some square pieces throughout her hair. I've sectioned it into 3 sections just so I can focus on each section. Remove your Bantu knots. You can take out the pins if you have them in, and you're just going to uncoil each one.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
Once I have the curls pulled apart, I'm going to put a little bit of OSIS Magic into my hands. This is just a lightweight prime wax, and just going to make my hands a little bit smoother. So I'm actually going to separate out these curls using my OSIS Magic. So I just want to separate each of them out. So I'm just going to keep pulling these apart and separating the curls. Once you have all the curls pulled out, you're going to use your OSIS soft texture, and this is going to help to give you a little bit more texture and shine to the hair, because OSIS soft texture is going to be it's called a dry conditioner, so it's actually going to give a little bit of shine and separation to these curls as you pull them out. The whole point to having Bantu curls is to get rid of your natural curl pattern and give something different. So you'll keep using your soft texture until you get the desired look.